My Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Are you ready?
What's wrong, Mickey? What are you talking about? I have proof. Would they let you come out? Let me tell you, Not be any man in our studio. Why you be a champion? They set me up to keep Martin and make a supper. They say, wouldn't you crown make a son? Maybe I want to make a I know what I'm saying. Master, not let me be a Joanna. What am I doing, my? I have all this proof. Never cry as soon as a crown or not confess. I'm not talking. Some of you are coming time. We are coming time. 4 times. What are you talking about? What am I and some about to be Abidjan? This allegation is I know. Me as a man can sacrado. Go must touch your Jimmy. And I must start to papa and ask you to what's here. You pay the same thing. Me Brahma Bokojo Bobby. And I'm Kramo Bobby. Mubos Krabos Abrani. I'm telling you. I'm champion saying that. Namoba Mumwa, the Namakasetia, Penikwa. Penina Pan Brave, our money or entertaining Crofono. Oh, Muja baby, and I must say, for what reason? You will be Kotokana 7 months, 9 months in chair. Champion, and you do this. When I agenda. I'm telling you, Adam is ready Americana. Agenda. Anna was poor, any Pabufiano, anyone Mama can say, aye. We are away. Now, yes, Mama say, yea, Mebano, I can super sponsor about what do you call it? What do you tag? So your trouble, not a say contract. No, maybe I can't so a bit. I must say, oh, ultimately, now what the I can super sponsor about what do you call it? What do you tag? So your trouble, not a say contract. No, maybe I can't so a bit. I must say, oh, ultimately, now what the finish insurance last week, your cancer finish as sponsor the boy here. I must start here. I'm a bet. Just to ignore them, let them go. What is able, it is sabotaging this to stop. Next week or yes. Thomas, yeah, and you know what you mean. Make us say, so Thomas on point. I coach you here, assistant. Was a phone, Bianca Comatrium. Sabotage, Omunyai, and I'm will be what you say. I'm prepared to make the team move forward. Now, problem Omunya financially. One says, I copy that, but I never be any here. It will be one business at flourish. We are not picking up. It's almost take time. You resolve everything. My Juma way almost 4 years. You know, everybody's aware. So why now? So we have to be very careful. It is our papa planning and
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Talking, I swear to God. Transaction in the talking, I swear to let's get ready to rumble!
What's wrong, Mickey? What are you talking about? I have proof. Would they let you come out? Let me tell you, not be any man in our studio. Why you be a champion? They set me up to keep Martin and make a supper. They say, wouldn't you crown make a son? Maybe I want to make a son. I know what I'm saying. Master, don't let me be a Joanna. What am I doing, my? I have all this proof. Never cry as soon as a crown or not confess.
Hey, Babu free body, I send me both. Hey, Killer Madi, I send me both. Hey, Babu free body, hey, Babu free Killer man, they assemble. Kung Fu body assemble. Killer black, they assemble. Sad boys in the house. One kind who be a bounce. Now someone crowd announce out of the blue, ya buy it loud. In Tempani, I roll it tight, cause the real see effect. I they love to take you on a flight. Where to ride a breath, yeah. The time, marijuana, baby. Yeah, quiet to me, say no. Where to ride a breath, yo. The time, now marijuana, baby. Yeah, quiet to me, say no. Yeah. I wanna say, yeah. I wanna say, yeah. Wanna say, yeah. Wanna say. Now Kung Fu body assemble. Killer man the assemble. Kung Fu body
Right, Okuman 97.1.
Killer man the assemble.
And now you Okuman Global Sports in the Atenase. And some dear Biaba Okrom ha papa.
Kung Fu body assemble.
Dr. Kwaku Frumpong.
Killer man.
And then Asam no Enyapa. President Edema Obuasi Ashanti Gold.
Killer black the assemble.
Vijidi say what that onti yansua and in here
House. One kind who be a bounce.
the Ghana Football Association
The blue ya buy it loud.
disciplinary committee had the verdict in Enyapa.
The real see effect.
Finally, ya bong de raka one sama can say and da beneba. Bossa Shanti Gona Fenson internalize game no. Last year, you know, yet match fixing, betting. Finally, FND had decision about. Now, Dr. Kwaku Frumpong. I don't know, President Edema Obuasa Shanti Gold. Ban Kasia Echo Ediamano. And paying for Chirima 10 years. 10 years, Dr. Kwaku Frumpong. You're banning from football. And any news about Eddie Fro Boss Shanti Gold Akache. Na ne ba no esi odima Bobo Kono. Emmanuel Eya Frimpong. And also the ban akọ Eddie Amano and also 8 years. And ya do also all football related activities. So bet me den one gym. Na nyas go dem kwa inter license so no ya the ban kese akọ dia momo. Ewie ye ba be wuram na afen so ya domo suko verdict ni nyina adamanim ofie ha. Mo amutie won say verdict ne wo so verdict ne damanim ofie ha. Me ba be kinkan dia ma o judgment ne no pan we tena issue no so no. And tena case no so do buy ne damanim me kinkan dia ma bako place wo mu nyina ya twoma so ne nyina me de bebre o.
They love to take you on a flight.
Intene Dr. Kwaku Frumpong odi asam na ba.
Marijuana, baby. Yeah, quiet to me, say no. Where to ride that breath, yo.
Intenye is the pressure bar. Obuasa Shanti Gold pressure bar. And paying for Chirema, yendi moti omuko Division 2.
Yeah. Aquala sell.
Agro no de nya say.
Yeah. Aquala sell.
Na ne Asgold board no so asay.
Na Kwaku Fu body
Ama Kwaku Frumpong asama kofa ba e okrom ha no.
Money assemble.
And can say Zagari producer Yera Kofi Anton Ba for Head of Sports. Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman Samson and the writer commentator. Also, Nania Bre papa. And now say articles who do and penny for Jenna so and actually as good any entire as sono or the Bebre will fear him say. Samson a crop ya sentence to us and no for the pen and the paper. And also judgment in it done anymore Babe Chiremudia May. DJ Zigibi Chirema and the judgment in the no yet be two social media no be young. Enter the antenna join your live on Facebook. Samsung on YouTube. Wait to join your live for your Common Radio 97.1. Now, Mr. Amity Jemedin Kelvin and Ponsedi. Wait to frame AK. Yeah, Buana Fensuno as good internalize verdict in your room at Domasuko. Now Fensuno articles in Yanano Yadiaba. Glosses a woman, you bet you Kuma Konas what you say. Samsung internalize and sono Yadimotino Eco Division 2.
Aquana say.
Hey.
Yeah. Aquana.
Pressure ba.
Yeah. Aquana say. Yeah.
Entino sani aya no mention anche na me ma right akwaba krobia ena manane nsem ne be yem fa manane nsem to baby tie amanane nsem na ye de to baby na ye wura mu opposite Santi Gold any Italians ne no verdict no baba super mama akwaba
Super Major so hoya
bibia kama me say na manane nsem de ato
oh ya to nche grave
forget no that Chelsea
Yes.
Liverpool for
Oh,
Omaje
Haaland so no born last game no share go that's all
yeah Krobia said Krobia wa manane nsem wo Veterancy mu akwaba kwa from point nsem
baba basuba so hoya pa
o twede point adom
the radia say we go to me kwa sorry
week we man kwa sorry
but we say then time near Sunday school you me pan na obe Sunday school you be
na nyuma me pay and ni bo kona
na today level na today
anu ana na me pay
and then so you me guy today the Lord hey there is a bustani Raibo there is a bustani yes you me guy you me guy yes
sorry ni si achi no so to me nsa nje na me papa Krobia wa na minim amanane go from point asama ba
oh yeah okay
asama ba
oh
and I know thing
oh asama baba tenye we bia oh yes oh
as good the Dimotin for division 2
yes asama anodin be normal okay oh yes yeah the Juventus score we
Dabi akwese e football no Ghana and I say ya na kata so na ya ma we bia but we
yeah kata so because a spot on pa
and ya bom chiche
and ketokrekwa dia wa yi enko no e was say ye man another 4 years oh ye me nya we bia man but okay this alone enye easy Ashanti Gold Ashanti Gold
o se simubiem
enye easy say Ashanti Gold division 2
ye Dimotin ko division 2
masa
it was get yan
oh I say man 4 years ni bibi o ya enko ye nyina we nko akeke sa we nko akeke no e bia the next 4 years bi obetumi asan enyi opani pa na say team kase bi aka ho because nyoma koso but me no no 1 or 2 we bia me matena se na me say timing no okay Ghana football timing no awodi abano me won sem won oh yes
say nyina kan say ade no e ko 1 year na ye hu ye nte hu asem mu nya yi ni ade say be hard
timing no de me ekimi nda da timing no nye because me wo how me e say nchirichirimba oh timing no nye timing no nye
na no so ne obekwa amanane
oh okay amanone kwa amanone say dia aye di wenya achiriti ifo sa amanone
o da bi say bia me mouse ma be edum bi na o do be fam amanane a
nti sisia wama me ni zigi yen aye edwuma ye hunu
dabi zigi
o dia no
entino amanane nsem Krobia Asante enso no e de beba na je say wa boy mu an sa ne ma ekoso amanane na ye Man City for no o ma akọ drop points Man City super Man City for na drop points na ade a entino Krobia amanan kwa amanane abaye nsem say ma ye ni say ya ne ade abaye adwoa na ye ribu ha adwoa say me man time adwoa de say matunofo na no fiada say as good issue yi ba onu so ntintim ne na omo so no mo de no ma ba awura mo wa na mo gigyo mo phones ne ade e wo no ntino me de ma di na me hwa adwoa entino no entino amanane nsem yankwa na afin so no Krobia Asante enfamra
el Chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero, ¿quién le pega? Gio, ¡golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
De Bruyne shifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne! Oh, wow, that's brilliant! Listen, game changer, points of world class difference.
Right, Okoma 97.1, Okoma Global Sports, and a produce the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports, and so ebe to me Ede Abba Enti Urema Nana Kofi Okore Ajimai together with AK and the writer commentator Bobo and Semina no Boni Sebe the Semen Kono Quantin Crow na Memfa Manfo Crosun Semino and so Enfambra production rumor DJ Zigibi and so any list or Ebwa ama all the social media platforms Okoma so to me Ajene ho emina ho enye fedia going to Uberemuno eye Facebook Okoma Radio 97.1 Sanso ana YouTube and so Okoma Radio 97.1 ya catch on say radio audio visual internet wutie na wo san hwe ehunfoni awodo no so betumi aboa ama wonya the clear vivid description of the stories yenso ye de banti Facebook and so your Okoma Radio 97.1 edino krobia asante yembonremu ne yenkwohwe say bakumienu the most important stories ana enenu ye de eba ensem ewofie eno so ano edinye papa ye de ho nsem ni nyina and so e de eba ebebueremu ewo Africa unim say ene CAF Confederation Cup no ene 2021-2022 season yenge tumi enya the grand finalists ene no eba so grand finale enso eba so ewo ene Akpo Abio International Stadium ewo ene Nigeria eho ana ne team Moroccan side RS Berkane enso ene Orlando Pirates ana de ekakosi eni ti Orlando Pirates ubenya Richard Ofori Ghanaian goalkeeper sanso ana Kwame Pepra enso ewo honum bia wo motumi aboa Orlando Pirates woman so ekakosi akan ewo finals ekoso ewo the Ghana version and I said the African version of Europa Cup CAF Confederation Cup ama bibia so etumi kama ye breaki enonso ede amamo ehonoma enye Fediagro ntino Orlando Pirates ene RS Berkane of Morocco into South African any Morocco ana ne no womo ka ko CAF Confederation Cup finals yete ehonsem enso ede ebana CAF Champions League and also one more etumi akwa piemu enso ewo finals enso enie Ali of Egypt enso akwa piemu ewo finals sanso ana Wydad Casablanca ono so every Morocco into say this is both the Confederation ene no Champions League yenya Moroccan side womu nyina feature ehuma and also eni kan ye papa enye Fediagro nti Ali of Egypt ene Wydad Casablanca ana womu so ekakobo finals na ye de ehonsem ni nyina enso ede eba enye Fediagro na ndrada na ana ene Ali mpanifo enso etumi eye meeting na womu eka kire CAF se ene no Ali etumi akwa piemu ewo finals na on the 30th of this month meya ana finals enso eba so ewo Morocco na emom venue ene CAF ense dan fa venue na nkasa pitch na nga kobo ball no so stadium kono CAF stera on fa dino enso entumi embaye ana endrada next petitioner ene Ali fodi akoma CAF ni chese ene wo mu make sure say date womu betumi asesa because on the 30th na womu bono sa on the 30th unim say from later this month ye wuremu 25th 26 ekowuremu on the 30th unim say international games baso Ali players do na ekwa kopiemu the Egyptian national team nimu no mo akwa board the AFCON qualifier games and also baso until we that doing and also betumi ma womu lose key players bia ebetumi ahadwen until date CAF betumi asesa ono so sama womna bibia so enye kama eno ne nsem a womo so ede eba na fe venue no so no womo make sure say ede ye Wydad Casablanca baby a womo si womo kan ana ne no eno so betumi akoso eno ne nsem a eno so ye de eba enye Fediagro na ene no de wani ekire England wonim say league eya ye ding dong say no Manchester City ene Liverpool 3 points and I say 4 points different ba ene Liverpool game at hand enumre no ono so ebetumi aboko St Mary's Stadium and Southampton no the game no etumi awendam so eno so enye Fediagro ye de eba etiefo na onim say ene FA Cup no etumi eba so 150th anniversary FA Cup etumi eba so England Liverpool and so any Chelsea 90 minutes of game played obi etumi anto atena another extra time of 30 minutes no obi bia so no etumi anfa ball anto no yonko atena mu ne ko penalties ato preko Bonsam James ana ne no ekoye decider ene Liverpool win by 6-5 advantage womo so de ekoya ene trophy no Liverpool etumi age for the first time under Jurgen Klopp 7 good years ni ono so etumi age FA Cup no for the first time ono so de ekwa enye Fediagro hono nti se no Liverpool in all womo etumi equal Chelsea the numbers no womo age FA Cup no nti se no 8-8 ana ne Liverpool so no etumi age FA Cup no 8th time womo so de ekwa na Italian Serie A no emu ayeten onum se no team my friend no AC Milan Serie A table no enti uko screen so abe say their table no the most important stories in kwa na yede banti say table no o sha say na 2 points difference between Association Calcio di Milan and International Milan and e wo hono enti sisi anu say ana table no etie first 4 Champions League spots wo mu nyina tumi qualify the teams automatically when we qualify for the Champions League no Serie A no AC Milan, Inter Milan, Napoli, any Juventus ana woman so etumi eko honoma yede ehonsem no enso ede eba na rather awards etumi eko so ewo French football oko Ligue 1 mu any France and kasa womo awards night tunim say 2 weeks ago me the players be able to do eneno France and I say womo awards no womo eyi players out do do say ene best player abroad no woman so eyi the likes of ene Kylian Mbappe ene Karim Mustafa Benzema no nyina wo mnendra what night ni ko na wie no na Karim Mustafa Benzema enso etumi age French player abroad and I say best French player abroad ono so etumi age title na ene ko Facebook ubom so ono so ekra ene no ne play bibia eye kama hono ma yede ehonsem no and so at the Eba French League of the season no unim say womo so awards night of the season no womo awards night bebre na ne mom no yenko say the nyoma etumi esi ekwa best manager and I say coach of the year 2021-2022 and so ekwa de manu Bruno Genesio ono Stade Rennais womo manager and ono so etumi ejesa award na yede ehonsem no and so at the Eba na Paris Saint-Germain womo goalkeeper ye friend no Gianluigi Donnarumma ono so na best goalkeeper of the season yeti ehunso no enso eba na the most important and the most prestigious award no ekodima Kylian Mbappe Lotina oje the best player of the season inti abrante de tumi agene miensa 2019 oje 2021 last season oje na this season we tumi asaje inti abrante friend no Kylian Mbappe Lotino upon bibia ne manumu ewo 3 seasons nie Messi akokan nanso still abrante na ana ne oje ne ho me na ho a yeti ehonsem no enso ede eba na Paris Saint-Germain eni no womo so no etumi abomrate na baso a yede ehonsem eba na team of the season no enso ewo France say na tie uba 4-3-3 formation ana wamutumi eboya impenifo ede eba William Saliba onimsa Abrante no Arsenal ehuni UC Abrante no ekan bi one ene Marquinhos Correa na ebo 4 and 5 sanso ana Jonathan Klose ene Nuno Mendes ana ebo the fullbacks no 3 and 2 respectively ana wamo ebo sanso ana William Tchouameni ono sina academy AS Monaco enso ewo na Dimitri Payet ene Abrante friend no Seko Fofana and complete ene 3-man midfield no na attacking trial no say netie Kylian Mbappe Lotin of Paris Saint-Germain ene Martin Terrier ono so Stade Rennais and if we Wissam Ben Yedder womo ane complete ya yede ehonsem ni nyina no enso ede ebanti German Bundesliga and also komu o ha say top 4 no complete Bayern Munich Borussia Dortmund Bayer Leverkusen ene RB Leipzig ana ne no womo so etumi qualifier yede ehonsem no enso ede ebana ene La Liga womo so say na tie La Liga so womo qualify for top 4 and I say Champions League no Real Madrid FC Barcelona Atletico de Madrid and Sevilla womo so etumi qualifier womo ebana yedi sino na yewie ewo Real Madrid officially womo so edit the year 2022-2023 womo jersey womo beshe the Los Merengues, the White Angels, the Los Blancos, La Decima, Undecima enti eneno Real Madrid womo bodi nko no ene womo de womo jersey kama enso etumi aba enye Fediagro womo youth side eni mpanifo ne mabawa ni nyina efrefra abibia so no eye kama edino eye krobia Asante tidbit around the world of sports creme de la creme no ana yede ba bi jemu ama AK ato azu
okay entino krobia Asante ana ne no amana ni semteu ono so no etumi dia bana and some of you, hey, Zuba.
Boss player. Yasamba biom. Yasamba. Onu say na watch mu ana 20 win is you. Ana 20 amfa. Ana 24 no. Say Nigeria boy 2 first. Ana Saturday no. Ye ne bobo kwantene Burkina Faso de win town so boy 2-1. Tizuba. AFCON no under 20 Ghana nkobi. Da be nkobi. Fan. Nti. Over there by MTN FA Cup. The most exciting and enthusiastic and the Pelimcotis game in Africa. Not to be in Chezuba. Say no now obi win no obreko confederation. Ati say yes nti no one game out to me yin see baby cry dabi. House of Folk. Oh, ti Dreams FC job still. O Ignatius was say for so no lose cry no papa no kasa still.
No a commentator.
Not a coach. Okay. Akasa you beti. Wait panti. I don't know. House of Folk. Azuba. One minute became 19. Kumasi Babrea Sports Stadium. Yami Aduma 26th of June. Azuba.
Ebeko.
Yeah, Ebeko Kumasi.
Enra became for ball game ni we ya pena Madam Fabayo be frame Kumasi.
Oh.
Send idea na say meba. Has na idea meba. Ana me see you Mate. Me share na e be day before the game.
Okay.
You know mbwa
no nti.
Na mama sasunsu ase ate.
Okay. Oni ba no
there. Sasu to pressure on Facebook.
Oh, we no dem fashion ba.
Go ya won. On the sasu da go ma pressure.
About Ella na. Uni ba Ella na. Oh, Ella fa. Ella say ya ba.
RL. Na Grammy just as go for no yet dem clean.
Say one more babontin say one more the official release about concerning
issue no.
The statement disciplinary committee at the abano. I know na sisi ayenso ye twen see benya from Ashanti Gold. The young etie womu say our issue abano as to say womu take the decision to appeals committee and I say yes baby I one person womu could be then on the side of Inter allies so no yenso your person yetf any unim say it's about time young compra na yema for yes enya ensem but yedi on be game no our boy goes in the PM player no say no yedi ni nia beba and the course of the show no bon say ya pem na omen say oh game way and as go ni intalize boy goes in the PM ti omen one light na ya be drop in ni ade am ya the super MTN FA Cup no 5 to nia compra
sa o do no
MTN na
MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premium First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premium First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup, we are waiting by the grace of God. Premium First Division, Second Division, Third Division, Odia. MTN FA Cup.
Well, me fa ayo visa mantia so jwedi so information the family is still Kuma Radio 97. We are trying to make sure country and other country near say team nya thrase flight number 97.1 you two na me bia a hon koba so no anya fedia gomedino at the writer commentator versus here at the fee the MTN FA Cup over the weekend semi-final 2 matches to me to ja na komano anya fedia gra sports to the House of Folk Ethna Fieri Dreams FC in terms and I gave everybody and House of Folk Dreams was a hey must have a fine so bomo come in sa wamusu etime team you know so and akopie mandra ewo eye brekom Bechem United Ethna Fieri haton sade Fieri Diana Stars so Joe Jamrante no chomo bomo come you know wamo entumi ensimo da braka ntisia final no asettle bubo kwanteni House of Folk and eye Bechem United 26th of June 2022 ewo Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium after the game coach Israel Kasai Samuel Bodi head coach Ermabo Kwantini Glorious across the Folk and Kuma credible say oh game no na nye game that is about other boys them no boys rabaso omerini
Thank you very much. As I said it earlier on, I know that it's going to be a very difficult game because beating Dreams in 2 times, it won't be easy. They have a good team and tactically they are very good. But I'll congratulate my boys for listening to instructions, and after we conceded, I think they came in strongly to score Dreams, so I really appreciate it. The pitch was a little bit slippery, so such things at times to position yourself well. You could see that the player wanted to get close to the opponent who has the ball, but they are slipped over there, so that cost us a lot. So after the goal score, I told them to be composed themselves. They should play their normal game. I think that it will come by itself. It's good because Barnier used to be on that. We do practice on it at the training ground. So the moment I shouted to send the ball to the Barnier, his position, but I know definitely that Barnier is going to score that goal. So we think that we do to practice at the training grounds.
And the way and correct somebody head coach at a master folk or the aba for Branson team at a 10 year free Bania one and your free agrona or the command credit Jafas as a fast room Mutia boat and 12 with the Tenya Kowa the Kowa Ngaganga also Maji.
Yeah, it's not easy. They should keep supporting the team, and I think that alone what we cannot do with their support. I think it will motivate us and the boys as well, so that the final, I think the good thing will happen. Thank you very much.
And I don't know, I see I'm final. A good thing is going to happen. Head coach at my Dreams FC still believe Ignatius Osefo so after the game. Ayo be kakra so boys no. Oh mo boys na bobo. Oh boys na bobo. Nya red card na. Nka so for team we there. Dabi boys na bobo.
I think we're a little bit unlucky because even the last members of the game, when we brought Kakari and Ali on, they got 4 clear chances. I think 5, they scored 1, missed 4 of them. Because Kakari missed 3, Ali missed 1. It could have been a different game. And in these games, there are 5 margins between these games when you don't take your chances. I think it wasn't the pressure. I think it was a lot of top liners in the semi-finals. It's a game of 5 margins. If you don't stay focused and you lose 1 minute concentration. We were not under pressure. You saw the game even at red card, 1 man down. We still kept on dictating the pace of the game. We created more chances than them. So we were never under pressure. It's just that, as I'm saying, we're a little bit unlucky. And when you are playing top size, you don't have to give them the opportunity.
And the Ignatius Osefo head coach at my Dreams FC. And come on, and no Daniel Friabania and an man of the match. I didn't come out credit, so best send the boys, say Yamia Tuma 26th of June and the birthday of best Stromo. Oh, on minimum now on birthday in years.
Well, I take it match after match, and then I think you see this season we've lost, I think, 1 trophy, though the league is not yet over, but like if you calculate the matches that left and then the points, you think I would say probability of we losing 1 trophy is higher. But so we've talked to ourselves and then decided to keep this trophy. So you can see us throughout the game that our mentality and everything is to maintain the FA Cup. So we are all going out, and then I think that helps me a lot. So I'm not going there, but definitely the mood will be dope. You see, being a final, and the final also is on my birthday, 26 June. Yeah, so I think I told them they should help me celebrate my birthday in a big way, to the extent that.
And I don't know, Daniel Friabania, come on, and Adiaba Kasimengo, a head coach, Edma Bechem 9 Terendra. One more Echi, Adriana Sass, a bomber coming one. 1 more 8 minutes in Raka Papano, and come away at the age after the game.
You know, we'll be playing the 3-5-2, and I assigned everybody the role to play, and they were playing the role perfect. You see, they could not play, Adriana could not play, because we always outnumber them in the midfield, and our attackers were very fast. So when we outnumber them and we try to possess the ball, we invite them to come, then we play it to our attackers, they use the pace, outwit them, and we get the goals. Very, very fantastic. I told you, with them back, you see the midfield will gel. You know what? During their absence, I think there was a shock coming at the midfield there. But now they are back. They are used to the way we play in the middle. I'm happy, extremely happy. I thought we were going to win, and we've done it. Time will tell. Let's get to the time, then we did.
And I don't know, a Kroma Yaka coaches, how you be or no? 1, any gracious here for you. I was here, how are you? Benzola, Yamako Yamanos, and the boys no straight run at defense, when him the daily day, no matches be a mistake bar. Coffee, quite correction 1 or 2, but that come here, Yabons and next game. Now you about 20 dear, in Sobua Casebo and Gasse show.
One problem we had in this very game was, see, we allow them to get hold of the ball before we start doing the pressing. So I was telling them that they shouldn't allow them to take the ball before they go on them. But they were not doing it, especially in the first half. But we are still in the league. We are playing. And the problems, every week we see a problem, we try to solve it. So we continue solving those problems. See, we had problems with our goal scoring. No, first 20-25 minutes, we had 2 clear chances. From there, they took their chance. I'm also shocked today. I'm also shocked. But you can't blame them. Whatever the problem, we get back and try and solve it before our next game.
See, I don't know. Benzola na yabe kakra. Yama Clinton Fenwiye. Clinton Dodo, player. Arama Ayubechem 90. Ono man of the match. You are be kakra. Chemaze. Demal de be and entire so be one of the biggest young queen.
Oh, was the nyabe kwama fella im coach. And actually last season I started Premier League. Na me move until last season na me more de ba nti say this season. And last season me here me pese this season me man bolosa. Nti me ye training so more. Yeah, me force us me achego. And I me training was harder because my ball season me started me chego. Esa ye me yapa. Abi am pese me she ba ya na me nya kwan be me force us me chego. Na me hunu sa because me no ma ball anya fi na me no mbebo. Me fan say na ye ball Premier League na intimate no ma ball say na mo ball pepepe. Me ba be because we champion from ma ba o mo kwa. Omunya start say na start ya nso ebedu be no be ya akesefo. Yes you start from get na da ba akese. Nti omo hwe mani nso be akese pa Ghana. Da fa na nyina.
Ti I don't know. Clinton do say mo expect no. Ba be ye yaza. But mo join live for Facebook. Andra Bechem 90 Vini we no super jaja ni die. Oh Bechem. Oh enu ni o. E video. Ti mo join live for Facebook be Andra. Oh dabi super na no den. They say om ko do Bechem me ha me ni baby 12 one mu. Ene om bom. Onye mmem den ni mu double jaja ye super nyeze kra. Nyeze Andra. Oh dabi. Na zigidi ato so no. Ti mo join Bom Bechem 90 fans no guess no mame fo no enkokrafo no embrewafo no ginegem what you say mpebu pochi solo kusa just because of team no akwalfa kopie mo final MTNF Cup o metumi hwini akwakopie mu awoye the Confederation Cup ni ebi so no metumi sha haza o metumi abo so ba de na no de o metumi sha haza o metumi akobo nti I don't know come akrabu ba ya de ma se ne tie fo nti sigima no manu twengu sana nkrofo am nye ana 20 fo muntia ni ye Wofu, aye zombie. Okay, super. Ha, yango.
A man who.
Guess room. Yes. Oh no, we say green no.
Yeah, guess.
Yes.
We na yini top akane sabi
crazy aye. Enyoma no moto ano no, nyoma moto. Obianyo bia. Sa no moto. Nyoma moto ano no za.
Bechem fonso no mo finance na ya no mo.
Omo na super de no so ye bo kumase no. Super de na de na hu kakra o. Ye bo kumase o.
No, been a tarma, maybe one.
I was about when you
question.
Nkwalani a wombi o.
Me sure dia baby amunya wani wona me.
Okay. Eje for monja na mu, de mu. Obia ti. No. Super wafu zombie no Ghana. Under 20 nyamencha de Caribs to ne boys no. E kochro mbobere aso metumi atwe na aboa.
Na wo ani da so say na de na odwin so mko bibi.
Oh, that be set players here de ko mo na de ani mo no. Azuba. The first game, Nigeria boy 2. Second game na Burkina boy 2. The group na there 3 teams no group B. Nigeria, Burkina Faso na Ghana. Abusu yan fan ye. Ye matches ni anye ye. The Burkina Faso ane Nigeria a qualify e ko menim. Ndi omukọ. Krobia no omukọ afkon no. Mo kwa yes omukọ nti abusu yan fo amfan ki yetumi hwini kranka ba benya 3. Na ki abeto so 2 na Burkina no ye ya but abusu yan Tiano no Burkina Faso a Ghana 2 na squad de ko no and then Krofu we ya be cover be bia so but all the same no super ye be kan wasem e be kan wasem pa na abona ba bia so etimi akonkanti no Interlice and as good therefore super me face na join live for Facebook ye the video na to so match na Interlice and I say as good Interlice e time so no a game no e that kind of match fix anyway ya ba e dey bi mo call division 2 no omo join ya zigi e dey full match na dey toso na mo ni e ko ni ya ba super man face na ya kan fatu ya so
All right, writer, commentator, and I'm telling you, Fisem, and also no etumi area bar, and then some no doors some sort of see decisioner the Ghana Football Association disciplinary committee no, and so no etumi area bar between Asgold or Boise Ashanti Gold, and I think so no interlights last season. And I start game no etumi eto dwa not just a match fixing betting and one sense some maybe to drop in your player testify sampa or no who say a limp for a young she says a born young on my fixing game no it's no free bench ever say no in your media for or manu crow be can say ampa more evidence to it but up to now I'm to me committee and him and for more evidence and go to but the committee no close to a year you find a year you season you know. Na yɛ de ayɛ fee na ɔmo de findings ayɛ de ɛne ɔmo verdict ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde aba ɛba abɛhyɛ mu na other recommendations ɔmo make yɛ ɔmo make recommendations bi to me I think say FA no ɛne Premier League for no jituma na ɔmo de yɛ adwuma ɛbɛboa ama yɛ football no ɛtumi akɔ n'anim ɛne ɛba no match fixing ne bet na yɛn hyɛ da ehu bi club yɛ asante wɔ ha the writer commentator wɔ ha sanso na senior duty joining and afin the boy ɛbrepɛ nso bɛ joining na get me astray but sɛnea yɛ no mɛka verdict no charges ɔmo de bɔɔl mo ana afin so no ɔmo obviously mmara no sɛnea mmara no si fa teɛ ana afin so no ɛyɛ ɔmo recommendations ɛne ruling a ɔmo de baayɛ ɛde fa Asgold players officials and internalize yɛ no ho na yɛnso yɛtumi atoa so ɛde afiri hɔ na verdict ne deɛ wa ɛyɛ about 25 page ana ɛne no ɛwɔ Boase Ashanti Gold akachi 25 page no yɛntumi nkan ne nyina na yɛbɛhwɛ except of it na nso ɛde ato dwa na sɛ nɛteɛ ɔse in the disciplinary committee Ghana Football Association na panel na ɛtena case no ɛso ɛnie yɛwura ɛyɛ ɔsɛe Kwadwo ɛyɛ Ado Esquire ɔno ɛna ɛyɛ chairman ɛdema the panel Miss ɛyɛ Carla ɛyɛ Olympio Esquire ɔno ɛyɛ vice chairperson Lorraine ɛyɛ Crab Abebio Esquire ɔno nso ɛyɛ member Emmanuel Nikoi ɛnso na ɛyɛ member Nuruddin Hassan ɛyɛ member Elsie Nana Echampo na ɛyɛ member na afei nso no Justice Yabua ɔno nso no ɛyɛ member William Bossman and say secretary to the committee. It's we know a 7 member committee plus a secretary and in to me etna issue no so now I say Ghana Football Association versus Ashanti Gold SC club officials, players and team officials. And I feel so in the matter of a misconduct charge against Ashanti Gold Sporting Club and others in respect of their Ghana Premier League match against Inter Allies FC at the Langley Stadium. Decision on Ashanti Gold. I said this decision must be read together with the decision on Inter Allies FC. We know, I see brief fact about a issue. So on the 17th of July, 2021, Ashanti Gold Sporting Club played Inter Allies FC in the 2020-2021 Ghana Premier League match day 34 game at the Obuasi Langley Stadium. After the match, there were several reports within the local and international football space that the match was fixed to fulfill a correct score of 5-1 in favor of Ashanti Gold. The match eventually ended in 7-0 against Inter Allies Football Club. A video extract of the match circulated on various social media platforms showing a player of Inter Allies FC scoring 2 own goals and also showed a lackluster attitude of players on a field of play. Okay, what about say Sports Radar, a Swiss-based international company's fraud detection system, a unique service that identifies betting-related manipulations in sports globally for a number of leagues through its vast amount of data, reported that there was strong pre-match betting and telltale of signs of fraud on the said match. The Ghana Football Association Compliance and Integrity Office, together with the GFA prosecutors, investigated the matter in accordance with Article 34.5 of the Ghana Premier League regulations, preferred charges against the two clubs and referred Ashanti Gold to the disciplinary committee. Charges on the ball as good in any Abraham Kopiemu or the Ghana Football Association, a disciplinary committee, no. Saying that here, I say Ashanti Gold was charged on 3 counts. First count in any, the club was charged for a breach of Article 34(5), and that's Article 34, Clause 5A of the Ghana Premier League Regulations 2019 for instigating, commanding, and counseling its players to play a fixed match or match of convenience between Ash Gold and Interlight to achieve a result in favor of Ash Gold an act which the club knew or ought to have known at the time of engaging in it to be contrary to the Ghana Premier League regulations of the Ghana Football Association. NFX count and you hear back Article 34(5) no na ya hwe se ne amra no so esifatie count 2 no charges on the ball in the second count no I said the club was charged for a breach of Article 18(1) of the Ghana Football and that's a GFA Disciplinary Code 2019 that the president and chief executive officer made several calls to one Emmanuel Ni Amwa to assist the club to manipulate the match against Interlight FC to achieve their desired result, an act which has brought the game of football into a disrepute. And no second count number 3. And no last count I said the club was charged for a breach of Article 34, Clause 6D of the Ghana Football Association Ghana Premier League Regulations 2019 that both teams did act together with a common purpose to manipulate the match to achieve a desired result, an act which brought the game of football into disrepute. Into when 3 charges are the disciplinary committee, and as a committee, it's an issue no so no it's me at the ball. Ashanti Gold na club officials omo charge omo no Dr. Kweku from Pong ono president at the Ashanti Gold and I feel so no Emmanuel from Pong ono Dr. Kweku from Pong ne ba ono ne chief executive officer CEO at the Ashanti Gold no omo so na the charges ne ana nipa ya charge omo no ebi ni sanso na players any team officials are omo so omo charge omo Ash Gold no ya de kwadu abo omo no players ni I say Stephen Owusu Banahene ono Ash Gold player no say just number 4 start ano Da Costa Ampim Da Costa ono Ash Gold player just number 7 enka no ball at the Makoroko and we PMO Ash Gold Frank Akoto ono so just number 15 Abrante and the Ajaman Isaac Opoku just number 19 at the Ash Gold Amos Kofi Nkrumah left back ono just number 24 Eric Eso Ash Gold midfielder ono so just number 25 Seth Osei a young sensation ono so no just number 32 ya the charge ni bi abono Moses Kwame just number 29 and I feel so no Solomon Free we players some the charges no ebomo na players makomako eye ensia e wa anu mo no ye charges bo ma ye from ma omo so mo alata mwenwen anya de ombeba committee no so kra be kasa omo so mo mfi ene committee no kra ne omo be transit ndi nkomo bia omo say the charges ni bi bo mo. Number 1 Emmanuel Owusu, Mohamed Baliu, Amos Adai, Emmanuel Owusu Biem, Paul De Vries Asari, and I think so no a sporting director Nana Kwesi Darling. Ono so no yari charges me Paul no omo de from omo so omo makura em yoma no our committee no so na amrana state ni bebre ya wa ha na we know committee ne kira mu proof ni ade a ewo mu na we na running story chen be wura mu ne atwe proof ni ade nya but we be say enhwe verdict and a ruling na efe no and a disciplinary committee no enso no etimi ade ba ye na yento aso emfan firi ho na afin so hu se ne ane no as good so asochie no esifa etie na asemo krobia. Okay, 1 2 minye ni say na amanfo no entumi enti ase ye minye ni say na amanfo no enti ase sanctions ni sanction number 1 I say to protect the sporting integrity of football in Ghana per article 18(1) and 2 of the GFA Disciplinary Code 2019 Ash Gold Sporting Club as a corporate entity is sanctioned as follows. A. That at the end of the 2021-2022 Ghana Premier League season, it's a season year boy. I have 5 matches and 6 months in a year. Asgo shall be demoted to the Division 2 League in accordance with Article 6, Clause 3H of the GFA Disciplinary Code 2019. Almost say your boss season where we are as good or boss Ashanti Gold. Yen demoted, I say demoted. Mamu kobo Division 2. Fi Ghana Premier League, I Division 1, I Division 2, Division 2. Hono mukobo mobono. B. That a fine of 100,000 Ghana cedis is imposed on Ashanti Gold in accordance with Article 6.1c and Article 6.4 of the GFA Disciplinary Code 2019. And then you assign Abomuka 100,000 Ghana cedis. Tisikan 1 billion. Tisikana mukucha better munya na wonu ba bitia fine. And so ha. 2. Sanction number 2. I say the president of Asgold, Dr. Kweku Frimpong, is banned from taking part in all football-related activity for a period of 120 months in accordance with Article 34.5 of the Ghana Premier League Regulations 2019. International 120 months na and just say if you makuma 8 years long and I wear super your calculation mami 8 years 10 years 10 years 10 years any other about Dr. Kweku Frimpong see ya man ban you say kwara boss small post kura wo ni fie chi kwa me man nche your boss small post ye yibo TV so kura na on kata nani for 10 years o kata wani for 10 years on hwe ball hey na super anodin krobia anodin yo na B or say that a fine of 100,000 Ghana cedis is imposed on Dr. Kweku Frimpong in accordance with Article 34.5 of the Ghana Premier League Regulations 2019. Dr. Kweku Frimpong so on your president no and also 100,000 Ghana cedis statistica 1 billion. There are two so go to ya and farmer committee no to so match fixing no boom. Sanction number 3. I say the chief executive officer of Ashanti Gold, Emmanuel Frimpong, ono Dr. Kweku Frimpong, neba, ono CEO ma club no, is banned from taking part in any football-related activity for a period of 96 months in accordance with Article 34.5 of the Ghana Premier League Regulations 2019. No, so no, bosumi baye 96 months in 8 years. 96 months in 8 years. No, so Emmanuel Frimpong. You say Ochibebre. Bofobre. I the car. Go for the car. Also baby, I was on the one the bed. And the ban so no, the man 8 years ban. And also ball crano. Me man if you post more post. Katawani na chum. Ko she pay for no benya. Fourth count no, and I say we fourth sanction in here that the head coach of Ashanti Gold, Thomas Dia, is banned from taking part in any football-related activity for a period of 24 months in accordance with Article 34.5 of the Ghana Premier League Regulations 2019. No, so no, infie mienu, and also coach Thomas Dia, that time on another coach, Edma Asgold, and also no, Yamano, infie makuma mienu, banning from football. 5. That the team manager of Ashanti Gold, Aidu G. Ahmed, is banned from taking part in football-related activity for a period of 24 months, and also 2 years. I don't know, manager, and my Ashanti Gold, also Yaman ban. 6. I say the underlisted players, the underlisted players of Ashanti Gold are hereby banned for 24 months. The players are able to be almost say, "Mama, fie mienu." Training, nyebi. Football boot to come. Chum say, football boot go. Come form sankoka. Akoda bi born ebe tom feature. Man ya say, ko fa botati sama akoda no. The man ban 2 years. Players in here. Stephen Owusu Banahene. Ono da so team no mu. The man ono suggestion number 4. The man 2 years ban. Ampem da Costa, defender. Honestly, man, 2 years ban. Frank Akoto, 2 year ban. Ajeman Isaac Opoku ɔno sɛ ama no 2 years. Amos Kofi Nkrumah 2 years. Eric Eso former ɔno yɛ Asgo player. Joseph Eso ni nua no ɔno sɛ ama no 2 years. Mema no ɔno so nkwara abɔ ball ni ade kwa mema no nkɔkyɛ yɛ bɔ Black Star kɔkɔ bɔ World Cup yi. Mema mo nhwɛ bi. Ɛbɛyɛ din o. Black Star bɔ nhwɛ bi. Super Mesre. Asemo. Ɔte players of Ashanti Gold. Ɔte from the evidence of the players, there is strong evidence of match fixing before and during the game. Okay, and also no, I don't know. Now other officials and also no, Sanchez said their mom no, media tuja and so ho. And you know, super. And then in summer, Eboba Edifi, as good and so. Akachi, what was saying? Entire idea no. Oh. Zuba say
Ochinani aye entire because so share as good crowd in you.
We no na watching you no dey about
because as good na ewa. Hey, super dey na wow. Because when so also only deep in those kind of articles no articles na share.
Articles na articles no you be training na watching. Fear na akọ ni be wura na share. Enti no we say you share as good dey no.
Yeah, share kakra. Yeah, share super share kakra.
Say na ayi kura bia me so dey to no post intalize. Ono intalize dey ni hia na say as good dey no.
Oh, say the main reason why I say intalize dey ni hia na Richmond Lamptey. When they see a kind of makotoko. And Kotoko no bona is a man for confused. Is ya no Kotoko?
Yes, verdict and pie. Yes, make catch you say. Players need be almost to 2 coin.
Almost to 2 coin, yes.
There's one player no ball on our Partizan Belgrade or Serbia.
Yeah, Ajimai, Isaac
Ajimai.
Opokuno. Yes.
On no ball on or Partizan Belgrade. Into FNC. Omo betro krata dia koma FIFA. Na FIFA so na jana mra so. E dia both teams and say Maza. Players no mo team no. Omo nsem e deja. Ban match fixing na bet na. My for the abo mo team yi. Omo nsem e deja ntino. Mo team no mo yin omo free mo. Nti FNC so choro koma FIFA na FIFA so dia koma team sa players bi akobo. Nti ko interlight akachi say ya. Richmond Lamptey onzo kotoko.
Yes.
Nti no e se kotoko fo so no eche na mo de krata ba. E de fa brante no ho. Team se na ahodo na players no bo nyom de krata beba. Ye twen se FAI as good so de krata beba. Nti ano so no senior duty wa ha. Krobia ma me sha se mfa firi wo. The Ghana Football Association disciplinary committee verdict amodi aba ni atwen ache de bia tena ye kan wansem say issues ni bia o ma che ni ade amon fa verdict amba. Finally verdict no let me the aba Obuasa Ashanti Gold and Interlies. The committee as a whole, on decision, on the aba now. Yameshan Kakra, Dr. Kweku from Pond, eba any place I would not change a boy room or Interlies
Well, okay, everyone be a very good afternoon. Bet you be. I think that Yampeni for na Juma for the first time, if my memory sets me right, and I say I stand to be corrected. Though say. Yenya bibi say we young football muda say teams be in the Premiership abo match of convenience ma such punishment in this annual way a shita for we are seeing in ade. I don't think say BSC wa Ghana football and I don't think so. For the first time I to me see and they were football Ghana ha and how especially Yempeni fono awomu only clubs in ade no the kind of friendship awo team that cordial one indeed enti asemba na ne kan den and Ashanti Gold any Interlies game we know the way game no esi e coin neki e be den say obe prayer for any other evidence from elsewhere answer na way to me ejina so take any decision against these 2 clubs. And I think say per the videos available anyhow a match in Ankasa Kwei, then after match some players any other match officials report omo de koi any teams in Ankasa being penny for kasa womo kaino enkwa evidence enough in penny fube to me ejina so ahwehwe niamem. Then again yawa any call bia obey was as isu bia mind you say enye kwa ekosa akeke because a true telecommunication means and any call bia say no planet say ekyowahi na make akutwa niti men you say bi obi a obetumi akotwa nti free na akọ obi anka wo yenti sa akọ no amanfo ante e wo ho bone ne de enu nti na me say bone ne de nipa ye bone pa wasasi so ha telecommunication networks nipa wo mu ye bone pa e ba say ye ndie wu a nipa wo mu die wu pa wasasi so telecommunication networks because anything especially this modern world bibia wo be plan bia true course ni sa text messages ni ade and ni nyina are available to them enti utie their president eka and their integrity team disciplinary committee their one kan na say one to minya a chat from players ni bi any because one mo try even unze we na wapao baby o kan a one mo state say Richmond Lamte ye kotoko player e kan asem no any Ashmin any one of SOBOs then he said
Eric Esau
yes
that's good
no paper be in the game no Richmond Lamte no the paper be e koma Ashanti Gold player back o train say onje game no ye 5-2 and say no game no ko ye 5-2 sa paper
I think some state is a 5-1
yes na chere say
no it's a correct
5-1 yes na chere say afa and sa paper na Richmond Lamte no koma player no na de wo so no enti wo mutumi nya sa evidence ni nyina any course awodo ampanifu ye nyina wo mutumi agada ni nyina even betting syndicate from any taking ya nyina no we gathered it would say a concrete and solid work and an impany yes
your mama basoma ya
great work okay great wo mutumi agada sa nyoma we num nyina wo maye ayenye te se bosrem kan bi ana se match na wo mudi wo mani buizo said ye dey na fix yes wo maye niama and course ni nyina no utie mpani fa wo mcha course no available to them set exchanges of text messages available to them what the call cars what the trackers krana these things are available a woman so betumi prove wo mo hunti any appeal a wo be kono wo mo so eba wo mo de sa evidence ni ade beba and wo mo after all this information gathered wo mo take a decision on making sure say the necessary punishment so far as our football so far as our football rules any regulations concern they would go according to the FIFA's code of ethics because we say in some parts one more cite example from player punishment player be all get involved in this way no one more use the FIFA code of ethics kasatia then one more link it to that of the Ghana yenso yendeno into to say a combination of all the football governing bodies laws and one more can nyina bo mun kakra so be say na most of we the Ghanaians media no na expect say I don't know get it too late sanka omo de verdict be ba bonten but I think say due to such a long information that say womunya concrete one ebetumi serve the public na etribi asem bi aremba ho no eno na mpanifo etumi ya ene womo etras ye hu say ehu be hia say womo de ene verdict ni nyina no bia ye ready okay womo pass a test ahwe say emu de intino enchiri bia ntwemu meko bia ntwemu ho no obi abetumi adibi metumi aboa enti wo mode aba abonte ene wo mode a serve public say public nso no ye public nso ye betumi a consume na bibia tumi aye kama and it also sent a deterrent message to any other club or participating in Ghana football and across the globe because ene uye Tanzanian football administrator kra na unhu de esi wo Ghana na one day there may be unso ye no ebetumi aba say womunso obi betumi ato na ene no wo take such charge against you enti ene no eya futu de kese a etumi aba world football ni eje Juventus no money ade akosiria bi wo mo demote due to match manipulation any match of convenience a wo mo boy. And this is not the first time it be happening in football. And this is not the first time it happened in football history. A CC Bebre. Now I think 4 seasons ago, one more day, Girona, it was Spanish Premier Division. Girona, Valencia, one of the players, one more course be about Africa. ɛkyerɛ wɔn abusuafo ha wa scoreline bi a wɔn nkotwa bet bi eke o kaya Girona ne Valencia I think 2-3 seasons ago and no mpanifo ɛhwehwɛ mu but wɔn take this after season no wɔn make sure sɛ wɔn bɛyɛ bibia and season no be start no wɔn de vet ne ade ba abɔnten sɛ bibia eniwa na ewo mu saa as said there initially wɔn allege no perfect nti nei se Ghana mpanifo yɛtumi atena se member 30 years Okreku the integrity team any the disciplinary committee any whoever be annoyed involved in these investigations are ni nyina tumi aba especially this Vodafone, MTN, Tigo, Airtel, all the telecommunication networks or more Ghana say woman so etumi eboa in these investigations are woman provide such text messages any course etumi akwa abontino na mpanifo etumi agina so the verdict but I think say it was a right it was a step in the right direction going forward in our football and a spot on any decisions are Ghana Football Association and so to me Ediaba and chair ye normalization committee and chair 2-3 years grandui and I know sad way to me about ubi a young normalization and chair so what I say this should have happened even before normalization now kaya cleansing system no because you see at the abbey who say the positive aspect and say etumi aba young abandoned such teams, any players so now when we are involved, a best serve as deterrent to other clubs. But yet the negativity aspect and also today, the negativity aspect, and also today, it didn't bang na excellent to the African football, it didn't bang and globally at the Ghana football echo the image of our Ghana football is and you find echo and how people are going to take our football serious. The stakeholders you are balling for 2 seasons you need sponsorship and who name say obi be any word and then no company and bet to me about sponsor Liga and then no one more match of convenience Liga and then no has special one kotoko one na players and kasa edi trabet team administrators edi trabet ebe thing and sa nyoma we nyina no any other company be a wo de ho be for sa nyoma we no it also goes against your brand. And yes, now my sponsorship won't aye ding. I think say the negative aspect in it, and I say the negative implications on our football, if in the huge. Because Ghana football ne say more. Oh, I'm telling you. Aside say the way aba say eneno eboa my eradicate such we no mess no way in football ni no. And so the Ghana ba be call edin boni e de be ko echiri pa say na say no ye football no e wo man konkro Ghana but I think say ke bibia mu no from Ochina Echo issues eso from Ochina Echo ye ba be hwe especially the negative aspect I be to media ba Ghana football and again league na ye wie ye na ke mi hunu say time na wo mo de ade abe e be san ase league no time a womo di adi abe e be say say league no
you share that aspect
yes.
As time goes on but
yes
my young share o share article mo gina so a charge as good now any other way now the first charge now say the club was charged by a breach of article 34.5a of the Ghana Premier League regulations 2019 for okay into now which article 34.5a now article 34 5a until bra 5 no mame 5a no say that here or say any GFA or club official or club or player or participant of a match who instigates commands counsels solicits procures or in any manner purposely aids facilitates encourages or promotes the playing of a fixed match or a match of convenience involving his club or involving other clubs, the results of which may in one way or the other affect his club, commits a grievous offense, and the offender shall be referred to the disciplinary committee for appropriate sanctions. It's not just say me penifo who say game no say na ekwa say na say omo refer to the disciplinary committee for sanctions. Intim ano na penifo to me gina so na go bia o say third count now. I say the charge was a breach of Article 34.6d. 34.6d. Now 34.6d I say commit any offensive act or act not provided for above, or make any offensive statement either verbally or in written, or is responsible for any conduct or any matter which is in the opinion of the association unurgently insulting or improper behavior or likely to bring the game into disrepute, you know, you better refer to the committee. Now, so no, what to me, no, and as this committee, your mother, according to the laws and our regulations of our football, that's the Ghana Premier League regulations. And no. It's movie I'm going to say time crew be
clubs no any players are one we involved no one will be embrano Emma or more kwan say we to me appeal embrano ma omo kwan say bia sa unsu betumi ayen yes
betumi dey accord friends of court for arbitration for sports
the appeals committee nankasa wo Ghana ha nankasa nso wo ho that is the first step how betumi take before our accord the higher height into I think say embrano mo bia kwan yes
appeals committee
yes na no ukwa na wa nso course no ne chart ne ade nyina wo dey account say na me ye yo na mu manye
evidence how they prove it
so we be prove it ho a na enenu na dey but I think say in all step in the right direction for our football ebetumi aboan but the image no ba be say no image ni dieke ba be say
edi baby say
ba be say
good
yes
forget about the image, you know.
Yes
that image entire license
as good
yes and then that day
yes
it was a bad image nenye
sure
entina yaka wansama kan several months say mpanyifo ya che but mpanyifo bu baby say you say obache wa adwaye say keto kraku any the discipline committee no to me yambo mabaso on this particular decision no big time and yes the time no match but I think that they were gathering much evidence to prove to the world sampa omo make a decision bia omo na eti so say we eti na na ya che we enti na ye make this particular decision no ye be remu achina nye kwanyina no afa no charges no one by one, sanctions no one by one, players no one by one, president, the people involved anyhow are they affecting positively and negatively. Senior what doing on the general decision disciplinary committee no area bano
ege betia etiefu nyina na kakra be kan say yebebo empemfu abaso eke uhwe incidents bi a SCC wo Ghana na yanya emua papa bi amfimu ana say emua papa ne ba akura yanya nyina so bi amfa nyina so amfa ndi djuma no beka say yi nwa yade eke wu say we it took the international independent body investigators to do this and what ye ka Ghana anko da keke ke beche men Ghana da but we share the way the independent body no etimi toto niama how one players ne kasai how one telecommunication for ne kasai how one officials ne kasai how one playing body nan kasai so kasai na yeke which means they mean business for now for you the babo keto credit so abaso for ne niama oye eke den jam kasa ya wa ha na nani FC any Okwa United 32 ne 29 goals epuepum ye hu ne kosi
no was sanction
but anya juma papa bia
juma omoko the other division
okwa division but nyina so ane ye hia no nyina so ane ye hia no anse da anko yi amanye but eke wo hwe yi a utimu say e serious bibi wom because wo hwe akoye say Juventus Serie A wo bo ni na wo kwa boje cap no ama we did almost 1 year 2 years we investigation for almost 2 years as we won say no cap here we je no na for so we den e wo hu we demote one for second division eti wo hwe yi a I say the same example na den one set that say this part say yi as go fi wonye relegation wonye cap bia because wo hwe incident na si na eke that was so bad and then you can say Ghana football no they should be telecast to everybody to see.
the goal own goal Ashimi Musa say na.
O say 2.
First one was say no goalkeeper nkasa bu full. Say then tina was a goal because goalkeeper in him say I was say 5-1 no ba. Now 5 goals na ba. 5 goals na ba. Aka say Intala is 1. Na Intala is 1 na be on goal.
Ebe on goal.
But that guy's goal na be say on goal na 5-1. But Ashimi Musa na ba be say the seed goal.
Yeah.
I'm a correct score 5-1.
I say.
And the still go in the ban. Intala goalkeeper Nankasa well full on one player.
Ege Oshe go na. Uze temo aba wo no. Goalkeeper no chain mu fi po no. Yes, en go ban the pass no.
Oh no man no go say po no. Na keeper no full.
Ono ya man no go say po na goalkeeper no bu full.
Say obi a ye twa bet.
Ye twa bet.
Impefunu say twa say 5-1.
Yeah.
Didn't na oba na o be say game no.
So what I say ege eyi engineer uze na me ka say. Enti na yesu Ghana say Ghana football match no I was say what telecast mo bia hwe bi I was say yeah common to every Ghanaian enye say uni ko the code and queen o hwe because so say match ya na enti ama ege ama ye common na evidence ni very high ni say there was a footage I just say match ni okay what you say ngai ye na ngai ni footage bia wa ngai ye ege ngamenga na da na nke ni footage bia wa
anka telecast na say anyway
and I make no nka be how adwene because how will you get sa goals na but we ni maye hu say no goal ni say we share goals ni because ultimate na who show goalkeeper ni wo
the attitude of the players
na who show entire players na who automatically okay
football
because she 4 goal no share no whereby one pass a ball 50 center now what 50 center what cross ball no the aba pon ma goalkeeper next feet pon ni mo now ball short
Facebook for no be hu yan ho no ma okay the way games ne ko no Diman
yenchia tifo nyina na pandes na kan nyina na yemfa ne say miji tum say Chacha is allowed in Ghana.
Yeah.
Oman random.
Regulator gambling.
Oh, offer. So
the boy, listen. Chacha is allowed in Ghana.
And the created acts the still donkey.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
The beer down here the Mran.
And the Mramuno Chacha is allowed in Ghana.
Chacha Mran now it's not.
No, the Chacha Mra da ho and the Odia Memphis wa correct me. And the Chacha Mra da ho is allowed in Ghana. And na obehwa NLA National Lottery Authority. One more sponsor mo league, you know. And I'm yeah. One more grofosika.
As a multi team sinibi.
Nana menka tio.
As a multi team
sinibi. Team sinibi. Team sinibi no ma team sinibi no. Esika. Say say mo go so amfa single numbers ni mo busuafo entwa na busuafo ni eni.
Ege.
Ana
ege okay.
Meba. Ana enya bone. Say we sponsor team. Barcelona na omo recording say if I'm pronunciation here correct na a player na downfall company and akọ win e buy and am boa good and into football team no so you be there and afa players wom yentu omo kayiye yentu players ne kayiye nti no they want to find every means to survive.
When you see two players
team owners no
yeah
and now the team owner is even betting
the team owner na betting I'm not going to say team owner need me betting there me am bobo me ko bet bia money bia ni ho
the boy tie
because me number to be
let me correct you on this
nana
listen to me man correct you on this the rules are here football no the rules are
here oh
rules na running nim say me team mpia me kai nti me kwa akotwa bet
enti na me sha me ho a anya body bia ongo sida
amra na me kai right be
men camera nchira me
no we deal with rules
prayer na mu bua ni carry to me ende now team owner ultimate tua me say dribibi men kan great Olympics no mu win bonus ya wache we ya the trauma man say ye team na ye
it's up to the club
more club ninti ana players no call ye Chacha no
ye players no
te e to mo ye ni ye
ege say ma me correct no
me correct me kai
meba if maybe
Mongo World Cup amesu wa Ghana. Sina mu na so tete ho.
My dibo ndiaze.
Minti ase.
Bet na wakwae no. Enye players in the call bet no.
Mana kwa
the club
money sana tie. Adam say
owner na chairman na kasa.
Omana mutimu no. Omano emlemu no. Na nasi chacha yasha na tade is allowed.
Listen. Yeah, the regulatory bodies are
more regulatory. I don't know na.
It's in near maybe we Ukraine in.
What we are doing?
But even with the betting, because the betting companies, because regulations.
Nane.
When okay. Okay. Last paragraph now. What am I good now? What should I say? Sa betting now. Ekoso Ghana ni nyina no. Awon ye. Illegal na ekwaso ya na GF should stand firm and make sure
I think say maybe the boy listen
the last part
really I know I think say recommendations
what the buy no the last part
recommendations now committee in the buy no I mean kind the last part
the last part
okay I say I think it was about 1 2 3 4 5 recommendations now omumeki that's the E. The GFA must strengthen the compliance and integrity office to enable it monitor both manipulation and illegal betting systems in Ghana.
Nana, GFA remember home what is over regulatory. Me say Ghana no angasa in Ghana no. Yenye GFA na Ghana so.
GFA na Ghana football so.
You
are talking about football
in Ghana anambwa.
Okay, football as
oh, Nana can statement ni bi o mami pa.
O say GFA.
And na say Nana can bi o mami. Me tie. Nana can bi o mami. Me say o man kasa mu ji chacha ni di.
Oh, okay, D-boy, chacha ni de say baby a wo
ni na ya. Make na what you say. The GFA must strengthen the compliance integrity office.
Integrity
and integrity office to enable it monitor both manipulation and illegal betting systems in Ghana.
Where manipulating? Where manipulating?
Football in Ghana, I'm saying Ghana. And I'm saying Ghana, na kasa muji chacha ni di.
GF already.
And you know, nana ni abano. Prayers, you know. Ya mo mabaso. Say prayers na chimi jitu mu say because so bi ni ba ya boni no ba ja to say me. My bonny.
The boy, me bow. Don't miss. I don't know. I don't know.
Me Dabio, me say. Obi Asha no.
Listen.
And your friend no. For the first time we be need you to say, Masha me home.
The boy. Listen. Osi players, no. It wasn't players. It was a player.
No, jitu mu anya ntum.
One player. That player no go on one banded.
Yeah. Amu ya ne den. Consider right. Boni bia e boni.
I think say achene baba na ya beto so e wa hanom na the boy there anytime you be so on what the other side of the story senior achene baba na ya beto so e wa achene you be grant highlights dey no na ya hye say na me kind of recommendations are committee to make here and charges ni bi
o share as good discipline we know what the buy no and any entire we know the same way now that's why the players involved na and
transfer
yeah and they will
yo the boy there no anytime be say you can answer and you know and also no you better a brand but super say wait for course no back me but a brand but I mean kind Facebook messages no na yentoa so awa hanom na Facebook messages abanom na kan say etiefo ne me benya papa we messages odiapa I say good afternoon watching you live from Atebubu Bunu East and also ne dia ba zuba you with my course ana you fa be call back mienu na 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 na yenfa call back mienu na yen sorry so or the fear Bono East region or the but Nana Kofi free year. But good afternoon. Please, this is to the authorities of our game. As we are seriously doing our best for the Ghanaian players who are outside to join our national team, we should improve our facilities in equality to the one they play on outside, so they can play as they play outside. That's got us interested. Okay, watching live from Martina. Keep up the good work. Nana Kofi free any message or there, but Starboy there, but I see watching live and clear at Ahafo Mim Airport or Command Sports. No size. Congratulations to my darling club Liverpool for their sweet victory against the noisy makers Chelsea. Greetings to Katongo Network, Kwejo Space, and my lovely father, Mr. Safu Edu, Star Boss in More Fire, and Confirmamo. Kofi Ajman Blackman, I say good afternoon. Watching you inside a pig farm in Accra. Near the other Starboy Sunday about say I'm enjoying the show live and clear at Afumim Airport. More Fire. And so Enko Enfa Emamo Ewaha. Nah, okay. That's a good afternoon, stop. For God and country, AK Papa, for what happened to Chelsea, Liverpool in the FA Cup final do happen before. Those who don't know will not know. We should rather we should rather prepare the guys for the next season. The Blues for sure. AK Abi, you know that wretched inside Noaso City, Odumasi Krobo, and also adding a message about. We say, Akuman FM, I'm listening to you live from Kofridia. Please play any song for my father. Okay, I see. Please play any song for my father. Emmanuel Fusu, Okreku, Amanfo Regional Commander Driver. Okay. I see I'm one your man, Papa. Let me say, you didn't birthday near there. Yebabo, and so at me, Eddie Ama, Papa. Na bibi and so no at me I kama and so no Eddie amount. And you know Azuba Facebook messages in the bia bawa my mission I mean can through an sorry so brain call. A champion Emmanuel or say good job bro, More Fire and famamo. Na Ose. Okay. Wait about say no matter what will happen tonight, Juventus will demolish Lazio by 3-0. Greetings to Yasma, Frank Nero. And all Command Sports crew. For Stina, Eddie Bossy, good afternoon. You are really doing a great job. Keep it up. I'm watching live at Sedu Chrome. And Tina, special greetings to LD. On also the message about Prof. Daniel and him for Archie or say, why have they waited for this long time? Kweku from Pond, they are Sama Bao. Yes, I need your message on also no. But to me, Eddie Abba, I don't know. Zuba, you'll see now at Ebrenoko, at Chayaba, near the Twas. So, executive producer, Yera Kofi Anton Bar for Sports, Nana Kofi Okore Ajman, Samson, senior on duty, what's in a Kachababa, near issues cinema, get me up for the free war. The writer commentator, what's in a castle, the officer by now, right near Bristol Fire China, right up fire. Now just a BB so crop Sante, and some what in a DJ Zigibi, and boy Facebook, YouTube, and my BBBia, and Coswell visual singing, it should be a Ziggy, thumbs up, and from Samson Alisto, and I feel so John Mark, the boy, the controversial man, and so Moten and Cap. Medina Kelvin, and Ponsa Eddie, Yami Perchina, a bit to me, Esiana, at was the same time 1 p.m. I feel so, and for details and more, and from Bram say NSA, scandal, you all, Nina, so you bit to me, Eddie Abba, Yami Perchina, Ibisia, Muchum.
Akuma Radio.
Niggas in a trap and plenty talking, I swear to God. Transaction in them, see, can't be a stage, I might block.